Cities are crucial in the fighting of climate change, and cities are also most vulnerable against climate change, and that's why we are targeting cities. What we want to understand is how the emissions out of cities are distributed to several sectors, how we can measure this, and how we can help the cities to improve their climate action.
We have chosen 3 pilot cities because we want to have a diversity of cities. So in Paris, Munich and Zurich, we're testing the new methods to observe greenhouse gas emissions, but also co-design tools and services together with the city representatives to support their city climate action.
On top of the 3 pilot cities, we have now established a network which has 12 other cities that are spread over Europe.
So in total we have 15 cities representing 13 countries. The city network will test the co-design approaches and the services developed in the pilot cities in order to ensure that the concept also fits other cities with different needs.
We want to learn how other cities handle the situation, what kinds of actions are taken there. We want to see what kind of data products are generated within this project that would be beneficial also to be implemented for the city of Zurich. And of course, we want to know, can we actually measure our success?
Many cities are relying on so-called bottom-up calculations, which can have errors of 50% to 100%. Using our measurements, we have already seen sources that are not yet included or misquantified in the emission inventory. So these are the unknown sources, not known for the cities or even for the scientific community.
We use different measurement approaches to basically tackle the different scopes of the cities. So some of the approaches which we used, like the atmospheric towers, they cover really the entire city. With the eco-variance flux towers, we have the advantage that we can look much more detailed into individual parts of the city and get there directly fluxes.
We are coming from the skill of measuring greenhouse gases, but just measuring greenhouse gases is nothing. We need to translate this into services. We need to translate this in something the cities can use. And that's why we have connected all the different experts from different scientific fields.
The city has access to so much information, but a lot of times we don't ask the city what do they actually need. And I think that's why it's so important to have political scientists also join a technical project, because we try to connect and we try to build this bridge and we try to understand what does the city want.
Greenhouse gas, you cannot see it, you cannot smell it, it has no direct impact on health, but it changes the climate. So if we can visualize this in a simple way for the city and the citizens, that would be perfect.
I would like to see a well-defined set of measurements and models that are such that they're easy enough to be applied by different cities worldwide, either by the cities themselves or by companies to provide the emission values for these cities on a long-term and cost-efficient basis.